Guys, this is Nicky Sullivan 1016, aka Tony once again, and today we are still continuing. I came back from going out, whatever, doing my business, and we're continuing our transfer from our previous case, which is this one. This is the Salmon Z11 Plus case, I believe. This was bought about a year ago. It was affordable, and this is probably the biggest case that I had bought at the time. It was Big Dan, and as you can see, we have already stripped it out of his many goods. We still have the Sabertooth 990FX motherboard in there, and one hard drive in there, and we do have the Swiftech H220 fans up here still, but we took out the water cooling stuff. I might have to redo the hoses and stuff, so that way we could fit it with our new casing. This is the H630 by NZXT once again, and it's a massive big machine. Yes, you can see my bed there. Who cares? We will be doing lots of mods and stuff to this one. This is the biggest case so far. The biggest. This is supposed to be an ultra full tower. Quiet. Silent. So I got it on sale for $100. It was one of the the showroom models. So I don't really mind as long as it looks good. There's no damage to it. So as soon as we're done, I'll let you guys know how it goes, and we'll get it running, and I'll show you what I did to it. Alright? Thanks for following, and enjoy.